ready to bring your vision to life. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to create beautiful, professional websites using Canva. No coding skills required. Whether you are a small business owner, artist, or blogger, this easy process will have your site up and running in no time. Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome back in this channel where I will show you how you can make a website using canva.com. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a variety of visual content, including websites, using an intuitive drag and drop interface. It offers a wide range of templates, images, and design tools that simplify the web design process, making it accessible for users without coding or design experience. With Canva, you can easily customize layouts, add multimedia elements, and publish your website directly or export it for further use. So if we come back to the top, you will find here other options like design, spotlight. We have visual documents, photos and videos, print, marketing, and other things. If we click over business, we'll find here Canva Enterprise, Canva Teams, contact, sales. We have also business solutions, use case, resources. Then we have education, teachers and schools, students, teaching resources, LMS, integration, case studies, and higher education. Then we have your plans and pricing. So it's for free, as you can see. Free, you have here the pro one teams, and we have enterprise education, not for profit. Then we have a learn, have Canva here blog, design school events, help center. So we have here create top designs, logo maker, and other things. So all you have to do right now is click over sign up and write your email address and your password. Then you get started with Canva. So this is Canva, as you can see. So to create a website on Canva, start by signing into your Canva account and selecting the website option from the templates menu. Browse through the various pre-designed templates that suit your style and purpose and click on one to customize it. Use the drag and drop editor to add text, images, and elements, adjusting colors and layouts as needed. Once you are satisfied with your design, click the publish button to either share your website link directly or download it for hosting elsewhere. With Canva's user-friendly tools, you can create a professional-looking website in just a few simple steps. So right now I will click over search your content and Canvas. Then I will click over Canva template. Then I will click over websites. Once you do that, you will find here various things. So you choose the website that you want. For example, I will choose this one. Then you click over customize this template. So this is how it looks. We have here several things and the various things. I will show you how you can do that. So first of all, we have your file. We have create new design, import files, settings, accessibility, save, move to a folder, make a copy, download, virtual history also. Then we have here resize, translate, transfer into doc. Then we have here editing, commenting, viewing. As you can see, I will choose editing. Then we have also here other things like here we have insights, we have real time, country, device. Then we have also here current page. Have something to say, select anything in the design to add a comment and start a conversation. You can add a comment right now. We have here preview, as you can see. Then we have public websites and share, it's the last step. Then we have here design, have templates here, recently used, and we have all results. We have also layouts here, match style to brand, styles also. Then we have here if we want to zoom also, and we have here thumbnail view, grid view, preview also. So for example, I will choose this one. As you can see, then we have here grid view, and we have also preview here. You can just select, as you can see. Then we have here design layouts, and styles also. Recently used combinations of color palettes, we have font scents, and about layouts we have here match things, we have hero image and other things. Then we have elements here, frame, arrow, button, and we have graphic. Then we have text here. You can add a text box right now if you want. Then we have you add a heading, add a subheading, add a little bit of body text. Then we have blend also. You can add logos, colors, fonts, print voice, photos, graphics, icons also. Then we have upload here. You can upload an image or video if you want. Then we have your draw if you want also. So as you can see, I add this one. So if you want to delete it, you will just click over here. Then I have also other things. For example, I will choose this one. And if you want to write magic write, canvas sans, we have here the font size. For example, I will add. We have the text color. And here we have also bold, italic, and we have choose the one you want, list, spacing also. Then we have some other like position, animate, effects, transparency, uppercase, also strike, draw, and we have here underlined. For example, I will delete this one, as you can see. So I will come back. As you can see, I will come back to the top. And this is how it works with Canva, and you can just right now to publish the website. Also, you can share it if you want. So Canva empowers users to create stunning visual content easily and efficiently, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced designers. Its user-friendly interface, extensive resources, and collaborative features streamline the design process, allowing anyone to bring their creative vision to life, whether for personal projects or professional needs. Canva remains a valuable tool in the digital landscape. So this is how it works with Canva. You can just get started as soon as possible. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. And don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.